G'day, Paul here from Suzuki, here to show you the latest unit we've had fitted to the 2021 Suzuki Jimny. Now you've all been waiting for these cars for quite a while. I'm delighted to know that we've upgraded them to these 9-inch units. Now they're a bit more complicated than the old valve radio we had 25 years ago, so we'd like to spend a little bit of time and show you how to get the best value and use out of your Suzuki Jimny audio unit. So you see the main screen here, you've got a few icons, you've got radio, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth audio, USB, and we use the factory USB setting, which is just under the electric window controls. We've got settings, aux cable in, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. First, we'll just go to the radio and give you a quick overview on how simple it is to use the radio. We go into radio, you'll see that we've pre-programmed some stations on this device. You can save up to 18 FM stations on FM band 1, 2 and 3, and obviously 12 on AM. Now, if you tune in an FM station and the unit has RDS, which is a radio data signal, the unit will save the station name there, which makes it very easy when you're driving around. If you want to store on, if you know a frequency you want to listen to, say, for example, we're in Christchurch today, we want to listen to 3Z Boring, which is on 100.1. We'll type in 101, and we'll type it and it comes in there. We'll get rid of the rock, override it, holding down for a few seconds, and you'll see that ZB 101 comes up quite easily. Your steering wheel controls will work up and down, and you can use the steering wheels to track and change radio stations. Very, very simple setup. We've got a few setups we can use in there as well, which are really irrelevant. Auto find, which you never want to bother with here in New Zealand. You've got auto store stations. We've got a graphic equalizer, so you can set between a whole host of things, jazz, electric, pop. You can adjust that all to suit, and of course you can set your balance up and in and out.